Built an empire, crossed the Rubicon, got stabbed in the back by my boys, and this is the legacy? A family of weirdos fighting over grapes. Gods help me.
Technically, I built the empire. Cleaned up Grandpa's mess. You're welcome. Also, you're holding that goblet wrong.
I didn't want to be here. I didn't want the job. I didn't want any of this. I'm just here for the wine and the exit.
I am a god, okay? I made my horse a senator, and honestly, he still made better political decisions than y'all.
Technically, there's no official record of the horse being sworn in, so... Oh, crap. My scroll's all sticky now.
Nero is the moment. Nero is art. Nero is a vibe. Nero set Rome on fire with style.
Bro, you literally threw a concert while the city was burning.
And charged VIP seating. And it sold out.
I ran the empire from a cliff and still did less damage than you people. I missed my cave and jellyfish. I introduced running water to public bathrooms.
Congrats on the toilets, Claudius.
He conquered Britain? That should have been mine. Why didn't I just adopt Cleopatra's kid and call it a day? Loyalty oath!
Tune in next time when someone actually tries to crown a goat, Caligula hosts a toga fashion show, and Claudius gives a TED talk on aqueduct pressure. Because Rome wasn't built in a day, but it might burn in one.